Hello. In our previous video, we covered why we selected Schwab for best choice for our trading bot API, and today I'm going to walk you through the exact process of getting your developer account set up. This is a crucial first step before you can start building the trading system. Now, before we will start, make sure you have an active Charles Schwab brokerage account. Any type will work, no minimum balance needed. Well, actually, it would be good to have some balance on it. You have your account credentials ready, and most important of all, a clear idea what you are doing and why. We'll need that for our application. If you don't have Schwab brokerage account yet, pause this video now and set that up first. I'll wait. So, let's proceed to Schwab developer portal. Schwab developer portal. And there we are, developers at schwab.com. I'll put this link to the description of the video, so you will be able to find it out, but it's basically clean, developer at schwab.com. Now here we are on portal, as I have already account, but I will go with you through this. You are clicking the register button, submitting this form like John Smith, the username which need to match to the one that you have your brokerage account set up with. So mine will be this one. Same goes here. Now enter your phone. I don't want to enter mine because of the privacy setting, etc. And make sure that you are agree with this. Okay, let me put something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is States. Okay, and submit button is activated. Once you click this, with my email address here, we will see the error that the email is already in use. But for you, that won't be an issue. No, it doesn't throw an error. So now when you have this email received, I'm checking now if I received it. No, I haven't, which means that so it shows that it has been sent. It hasn't been actual because right now I have my developer account. So what you will receive, it is an email with the activation link. Once you clicked on it, you will be navigated through here. For now, and your account creation part will be completed. Now let me sign in here. We can see here my account. So here we go with create form. We are selecting the API product. We will need trader API individual, account and trading production, market data production. We actually will need both, but let's get here. Order limit, number of order related requests from 0 to 120 per minute. Let's use 120 here. Enter application name. Make sure you are not overcomplicating things here, like personal trading automation. Here, personal trading. This should suffice. Do not need to enter some fancy name or try to enter some name which doesn't have anything pending with reality. Like if you will write here like flying planes, etc., it won't be helpful for your case. The description should be like personal trading automation system for individual stock purchase based on fundamental and technical analysis. There we go. Callback URL. Here's the tricky part. For this, we are going to use HTTPS as we are deploying that on our local machine. 127.0.0.1. Do not need to provide port number, etc. Another endpoint, you will do the same for selecting the other thing. Add another. Excuse me, it was for callback URL. Okay, we have added one, and then click on create. You reached. Okay, I have already my application, so it limits me to one. No worries. So this is the process. As long as you don't have any application already created and using the endpoint, you are safe to go, because this way we are acting as individuals, and individuals are logical that they depend on one account only. So what we learned today, we learned how to create a developer account. Basically, it's using the same brokerage account details like email and phone number, because you will need to be validating your phone number. Next, on how to submit that properly and make sure to receive the activation link. Click on it and navigate in here. Here we are as individual developers, and once there, we will need to select the correct API products, which will be trader API individual. This what we are using. So details, documentation, you can see here a lot of information. We will go through this during our next sessions. And we also learned how to start an application process, create an app, how to configure our request. You can see here it has been created, and since January of this year I've been working on creation of this boat and finally made it successful. Yeah, trader API individual. I applied for it and it was successful, so I was able to create an app. We clicked on create app button. We fulfilled what we are requesting, which endpoints we are going to use. We set the limit for number of requests per minute. We provided a name. a description, and callback URL. That's basically whatever whole scope which you need to create an app. Once all this is done, it will take 1 to 3 business days to get an approval. Usually, if you do not have anything done critically wrong, you are getting your approval, and once it is done, that would be our next video. We will check our application dashboard. You will get 3 critical pieces of information: client ID, client secret, and callback URL confirmation. We need to make sure that it matches with what we set. This was all planned for today. Hope this was helpful, and feel free to throw me a message in case anything went wrong with the registration of your developer account at Schwab. Thank you for your time. We will continue on next video going through the application dashboard after approval is received from Schwab. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.